Hi guys, so now we are in the Pushkar market. Can you see there are so many good collections are there. This is a Pushkar market, and as soon as we'll go inside, there is a Brahma temple on the way of this. Okay, so here is also we have some shop. Here also we have some instrument shops. There are so many clothes shops are also there. Okay, if you'll see it clearly, right? As long as we'll keep going, some instrument shops, small mandir, and this is also the clothes shop. Okay, this is a food court, something like that. This is a cloth shop, bag shop. So you'll get variety of things over here. Okay, so here also you'll get the cloth and some market of. This is about to close actually. Okay, you'll get variety of shops over here. Okay, then we'll move. Then we'll go towards the market. Now we are going towards the Brahma temple. Okay, the temple is still open right now. I guess the closing time for the temple is. You get lots of beautiful shoes. This is a shoe shop. This is also one of the shoes shop. And then now we are moving towards the temple. So here you will get so many beautiful clothes. Even I have did some shopping. Can you see that? This is how they will give you the bag, okay, when you do the shopping from this kind of shop. So now we're gonna go. Now we are reaching towards the temple, and then we will do some darshan, and then we will move out. Okay. So this is the way. There are some bangles, some shoes shop. This is also the bangle shop or the instrument shop. This is also the bangle shop. So this is called as a Pushkar market. Here is a small temple we have, and then we will keep moving towards the then now we are moving towards the temple. As this is called as Pushkar market, you will get some some pani puri wala, and then some. See, can you see that Brahma mandir ka rasta? Okay, Brahma mandir ka rasta they are saying here. And then here also we have some handmade arts. Okay, showpieces are there, the clothes shops are there. This is a very beautiful market if you want to explore. Okay, see, this is a art showpiece. There is a lassi wala, and there is lots of shoes market as well. See, the people are shopping with the clothes, the shoes, toys, and can you see this? This is a shoes shop. So yeah, I'm just keep walking some ice cream and all that stuff people are selling. So yeah, it's like that. There is still some crowd. There is still some crowd in the market. Okay, can you see how beautiful these dresses are there? Your men's dress, women's dress. So you'll get so many things to explore here. Okay, even you'll get some household showcase item. This is the Rajasthani dress, and this is the Pani Puri wala selling the Pani Puri, and these are also some shoes shop, some cloth shop. This is some clothes shop. That is also a shop of clothes. And here also we have the shop of clothes. And here we have the bangles, some prasad, some clothes shops here as well. Here they are selling the prasad. Okay. We are still on the way. This is like ornaments. This is all about ornaments they are selling. This is an ornament shop. This is true as well. An ornament. And here we have some cloth shopping. Okay. Now that is a Brahma temple. Can you see this? This is a Brahma temple. Okay. So now, because the photography is not allowed, okay, so we cannot take photo inside. So there is a prasad wala over here. These are all prasad wala who are selling the prasad, and we will take the entry inside the temple. These are all the prasad, the way to prasad. Now we'll go inside the. Now we'll go inside the temple, and we have to take no, it's okay. And then we'll have to go inside. Actually, the photography is not allowed inside the temple, so we cannot do the photography inside the temple. But yeah, let's see how it goes. As long as my camera works on, so let's see. Let's see if we are able to do it. So now we are going inside the temple. If they will stop us, then we have to stop. Okay.